Hello traders, in this video I am going to teach you the supply and demand trading strategy that is getting very famous on TradingView, and I thought to make a video on that one so that my subscribers can get the benefit from the supply and demand trading strategy. Okay, so guys, as you know that what is supply and what is demand, we are definitely going to talk about this thing in our video today. So before I move towards the trading strategy, let me introduce myself. I'm a price action coach. I have a 1-hour coaching program. You can book your coaching program by contacting into the Telegram group. The link of the channel is given in the Telegram group, and also you can apply for get the lifetime copy of our TradingView private indicator. And moreover, subscribers, if you are willing to join the best broker that I personally use, and this offers you a variety of trading accounts, as you can see on the screen, so you can join this broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. Okay, so guys, as I mentioned, the indicator is based on the supply and demand. So here we need to write RSI based supply. If you write RSI based supply on TradingView, then this indicator will come, that is called RSI based automatic supply and demand, and the name of the author is SHT Coiner. And you can see this indicator is getting famous and the numbers are getting increasing each day by day, and I personally like this indicator very much because it has a very good impact into the trading market. Okay, so first of all, let's talk about the demand. The demand area can be considered as the area where you can see the buyers can come into the market. Like for example, this is the AUD CAD 5-minute chart, and you can see the market is pushing up. Okay, and similarly, when we talk about the supply area, and you can see the price was going up, it was breaking the supply area each time. So this is the thing that you need to take care. Okay, so how you can monitor this thing? Always take the benefit from the trend line. Like this is the uptrend. Okay, so price is going up, and you can see here we have a breakout from the trend line, and then you can see the demand area stays very valid, and then you can see the price simply move down, and here we had the demand area, here we have the supply area, and you can see the price is significantly down into the downward direction. Now let's have a look on the other pairs. So for example, AUD JPY, this worked as a demand area on that time, and you can see price moved up. Again, the demand area worked, the price moved up, demand area, and this is the supply area. Okay, and now let's talk about our private indicator that you can get the lifetime copy of our indicator, and let's attach our indicator that how it is working. Okay, so for example, this is the bands indicator. You can get this indicator from the Telegram. This is the we will provide the lifetime copy, and you can book its license. Okay, so you can see the buy signal was here perfectly fine, and you can see here we have received the supply area, and below this supply area we have again received the sell signal, and the price was down. Even our indicator has also given us a sell opportunity here, and now you can see when the bands turn into gray color, it means that not to trade right now, and it will provide you another opportunity. Similarly, our indicator is working on the very nicely on the different areas. Okay, for example, if you just use as a combination buy signal and from the supply area, then you can see selling opportunities, it is down. Okay, right now it has given you the selling opportunities, but the demand area has worked perfectly fine, and right now you can see the gray area turn. So gray means that you should not trade, and if you are into any trade, you should exit. So for example, I am going to gold today. Let's have a look how it's working on gold. Okay, so you can see buy signal went into the supply area, then price pushed down. It's come again for the retesting on the moving average, and then you will see some upward momentum from here. Sell area from the sell signal from the supply area. So this is how our personal indicator works. So you can, if you are willing to get the license of this indicator for the lifetime, you can contact on Telegram. I have given the links in the description of this video below. Okay, overall you can see here the supply area worked very well, the demand area worked very well. Okay, pound USD has worked from the demand area, went perfectly up, no problem. Okay, right now your USD 5-minute is into the demand area, right? Okay, so guys, this is how you can take the benefit by using the free indicator. This is one of the free indicator, the demand and supply, not the one that I am providing through a private script. So you can get the benefit from it. Okay, now look at the Bitcoin USD. This is the demand area. So buying positions from these levels can be considered in a very nice way. So guys, what do you think about this trading strategy? Let me know into the comment section. Moreover, please subscribe the YouTube channel, like the videos. Those subscribers who are willing to book the lifetime versions of their indicators, they can contact on Telegram. And those who are willing to learn the price action trading through 1 hour, and many of my students are successful due to the price action, you can book your session with me. Please contact on Telegram. The link is given in the description of this video below. Thank you very much for watching this video.